Alright YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to get infinite monkeys. So first you just need to buy the monkeys from the box.
They were here, now they're not. Such is life in the
And we're actually going to use up all of our monkeys.
He is persistent, like begging peasants.
And that was our last monkey right there. You can see I don't have any more on my screen. Okay. To do the infinite monkeys, you got to have regular grenades. What I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a grenade at the wall, and when it bounces back, I'm going to pick it up with the left trigger, or L2 instead of R2. So when it says pick it up, you pick it up, but you pull out a monkey. And that other grenade goes off as well, see? Show it to you one more time. Throw it, let it roll back, pick it up, and you got a monkey. But remember that other grenade will go off as well. So it's that simple. Okay. So I'm going to throw it against this wall, pick it up. And there it is over there. It's really that simple. As long as you have grenades, you can continue to do it.
Blood is a classic.
And there they go. It's literally that simple. I am actually out of grenades right now. But just to show you that it will continuously happen as long as you have grenades.
Give newts, hell pigs! Die!
I'm gonna go buy some more inside the teleporter. Here's the grenades. Okay. See? It's literally that simple. Throw it, and when you pick it up, just use your other toggle. And make sure you back up so you don't hit or blow up on your other grenade, because it still will blow up. I didn't get to that one. And there we go. Make sure you buy some more before you leave. And here we are back to the beginning. Yep, I didn't get to that one either. When it says throw it back, right there. And that's just as easy as it gets.
You see what happens when you touch Nikolai?